Hello everyone, welcome to SUNNEX 129th online Canon Fair. I'm Janice. As sometimes we feel tired and lose our appetite, or sometimes we just like to make simple food after hard work. Here I'd like to share with you how to make simple cold dishes with kitchen essentials to have a good appetite. Cold dishes is generally with oil and sauce for seasoning. Yes, to some extent, it seems like making salad. Before making cold dishes, I'd like to show you our SUNNEX kitchen essentials which will be used. Please take a look at these PP chopping boards. 4 sizes can be offered availably. The smallest size, bigger size, much bigger size, and the biggest size. There are 6 kinds of color available, including green, yellow, blue, white, red, and brown. Chopping boards with different colors can help to prevent cross-contamination. For example, we can use a red one to chop part raw meat, but use a green one to cut fruits. Next, please look at stainless steel bowls of 2 ranges with different sizes. This range's interior is mirror polish, but the other range's interior is stain polish. In daily life, you always use them to stir flour, salad, eggs, and noodles, etc. And there are some stainless steel strainers. With them, we can effectively filter water when cooking. In addition, a frying pan and a stovetop will be also needed. A frying pan is helpful for fast cooking and heating. Moreover, it's easy to clean, and this stainless steel stovetop is very durable, hygienic, and easy to clean. They both could be heating on the induction cooker. And I also prepare some plates to serve food and sauce bowls. SUNNEX each beautiful serving piece is correctly designed in mind, and it is very durable and practical. So our porcelain includes a wide selection of plates, bowls, platters, coffee and tea cups and pots, etc. Okay, after a brief introduction, let's begin make cold dishes. First of all, I like to make a dish called cucumber with sauce. Here you can see I have washed cucumbers in the ones and put it on the chopping board. According to personal taste, you can choose to peel cucumbers or not. First, lid. We need to cut down the head and shell, and then cut it into strips. To make tasty cold cucumber depends on delicious seasoning sauce. So next we need to prepare sauce. Okay. Chop up green onion. And next we need to chop up some garlic. And then we also need to cut down some coriander. And finally, we need to chop up some small red peppers. And then we need to add a spoon of chili powder and a spoon of white seasoning. Okay. After that, we need to heat the oil. And then we put the oil to display. Need to be careful. The oil is very hot. Then we need to add 2 spoons of soy sauce. And 3 spoons of mature vinegar. And we need to add a little sugar and a little salt. And mix them. And then we can pour the sauce into the cucumber bowl. And add some small red peppers and coriander. And mix them. Okay, finish. We can place it for several minutes to make cucumber tastier. And for lunch or dinner, a dish of cucumber isn't enough. So at this time, we can prepare a dish of cold cucumbers with sauce. Perhaps someone think it would take more time to have a meal. In contrast, we will save more time because the sauce for cucumber is same as the sauce for cold noodles. We just need to cook noodles for a moment and then soak noodles in cold boiled water. After that, mix noodles with sauce. In general, we like to fry and add when eating noodles, which will be more delicious and nutritious. Okay, all food are ready now. Please enjoy. I think it is very easy for everyone to make them. You can try it in your spare time. I hope you like their taste. See you.